Welcome to the world of ClickFunnels and the opportunity to make money by offering to build and consult services to other businesses and entrepreneurs. If you're looking for a way to earn a steady income while helping others grow their online presence, then this method is perfect for you. Link in the description box to get a ClickFunnels account. In this video, we'll be discussing the steps you need to take to start making money with ClickFunnels building and consulting services. We'll be covering everything from understanding the basics of ClickFunnels to building your own portfolio and marketing your services to potential clients. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to start making money with ClickFunnels and how to grow your business as you gain more clients. Let's get started. Step 1. Understanding the basics of ClickFunnels. The first step in making money with ClickFunnels is understanding the basics of the platform. ClickFunnels is a sales funnel builder that allows you to create and optimize landing pages, sales pages, and even entire sales funnels. It's a powerful tool that can help businesses increase conversions and sales, but it can be a bit overwhelming for someone who is new to the platform. To get started, we recommend taking the ClickFunnels 14-day free trial and familiarizing yourself with the platform. Spend some time building your own sales funnels and experimenting with different elements and features. This will not only help you understand how the platform works, but it will also give you a portfolio of work to show to potential clients. Step 2. Building your portfolio. Once you have a good understanding of how ClickFunnels works, the next step is to start building your portfolio. Your portfolio is a collection of your best work that you can show to potential clients to demonstrate your skills and experience. To build your portfolio, we recommend starting with a few basic sales funnels. These should include a landing page, sales page, and thank you page. You can also include a webinar registration page, an upsell page, and a downsell page if you're feeling ambitious. Make sure to include screenshots of your work in your portfolio, as well as a brief explanation of what the funnel is for and how it works. This will help potential clients understand the value of your services and how you can help them increase conversions and sales. Step 3. Marketing your services. Now that you have a portfolio of work to show, the next step is to start marketing your services to potential clients. There are a few ways you can do this, including freelancing platforms. Websites like Upwork and Freelancer are great places to find potential clients. You can create a profile and start bidding on projects related to ClickFunnels building and consulting. Social media. Use social media to promote your services and reach potential clients. Share your portfolio on Instagram, LinkedIn, and Facebook, and make sure to include keywords related to ClickFunnels in your posts. Networking. Attend events and meetups related to ClickFunnels and online marketing. This will give you the opportunity to meet potential clients and promote your services. Referral marketing. Ask your current clients to refer you to their friends and colleagues. This is a great way to get new clients and grow your business. Step 4. Pricing and billing. Once you start getting clients, it's important to have a clear pricing and billing structure in place. We recommend charging a flat rate for building a sales funnel and then charging an additional fee for consulting services. When it comes to billing, we recommend setting up a contract with your clients that outlines the scope of work, the cost, and the payment schedule. This will help ensure that both you and your client are on the same page and that there are no surprises when it comes to billing. It's also important to remember that your pricing should reflect your level of experience and expertise. If you're new to ClickFunnels, you may want to start with lower rates until you gain more experience and a larger portfolio. As you gain more clients and build your reputation, you can start to increase your rates. Step 5. Growing your business. As you start to gain more clients and make more money with ClickFunnels building and consulting services, it's important to think about how you can grow your business. One way to do this is by offering additional services, such as website design or copywriting. This will allow you to offer more value to your clients and increase your income. Another way to grow your business is by hiring other ClickFunnels experts to work with you. This will allow you to take on more clients and increase your income without having to do all the work yourself. In conclusion, offering ClickFunnels building and consulting services is a great way to make money and help other businesses and entrepreneurs grow their online presence. By understanding the basics of ClickFunnels, building a portfolio of work, marketing your services, pricing and billing correctly, and growing your business, you can create a successful business and earn a steady income. Remember to always be learning and updating your skills to stay ahead of the competition and offer the best service to your clients. Good luck!